Pramod Prakash, co-founder and CEO at Instalogist. I have 16 years of software industry experience. I have also done an executive management program from IIM Bangalore. My last position was head of engineering for China at InMobi.
Hi, I'm Sandeep Barange, co-founder of Instalogist Private Limited. I have 13 plus years of IT industry experience, and the last position which I held in InMobi was technical architect. I know Pramod for more than 5 years. With that, handing over to Pramod to tell more about our startup.
Thank you, Sandeep. At Instalogist, we provide a marketplace platform for full truckload with spot booking of trucks for long haul as well as local shipments. The problem which we are solving is matchmaking of supply and demand. Trucks are referred as supply and loads are referred as demand. Even with so many apps and solutions in the market, we can't deny the fact like booking an on-demand truck is still one of the top pain points of the trucking industry. The main reason is no single player or platform has the sufficient information of the supply or demand, which is mainly because of the fragmented nature of the industry. And this becomes more dominant on the supply side because supply side is highly fragmented. Due to which most of the time the shipments gets facilitated by involving multiple players, several phone calls and in a very inefficient manner. Coming to the competitors, our major competitors on the long haul side are BlackBuck, Wahak, Truck Suvidha and other marketplace providers. On the local side, we have Porter, Lalamove and other players. We provide a lead generating platform where we help load provider and truck provider to discover each other and directly facilitate the shipment. We don't get involved in the ground operations or any kind of the operations, which makes our model highly scalable and we are able to provide our services in any geography. Regarding the USP or differentiating factor, most of our competitors have packaged their solution in an Android app where user is supposed to download the app, register in the app and keep using the app to use the services. In our case, along with Android app, we also have a WhatsApp based solution where you can book a truck or load by just saying hi to an Instalogist WhatsApp number. This makes our solution very frictionless and easy to use. It enables us to acquire a large share of market in much lesser time and with much lesser cost of acquisition. Our WhatsApp solution is powered by WhatsApp Business API and chatbot approach. Why it is so special? Because of a few reasons. One is this industry, transportation industry is already heavily engaged on WhatsApp and they have high affinity towards WhatsApp. Let me show you some of the transport related WhatsApp groups. So these are the very heavily engaged WhatsApp groups of transporters across India, and you can see that a lot of people keep asking for trucks and loads throughout the day. There are many limitations, like there are number of users, how many users can interact in a WhatsApp group. Here same message people post in multiple WhatsApp groups so that they get help. So many messages coming so their messages gets lost or gets ignored. Since users are already heavily engaged on WhatsApp, it is much easier for us to make them move to our solution, which is WhatsApp based but much more powerful than the way they are using the WhatsApp currently. In our WhatsApp solution, lakhs of users can talk to the same number. No, not a single message is going to be ignored. Each and every message will get a personal attention because there is no human. It's our bot who would be responding to everyone, which makes it very powerful. One more point. A few days back, I came across an ad of JioMart. I'll show you a glimpse of it. If you can see, they have taken the exact similar approach of WhatsApp chatbot. This gives another validation that we are in a right direction and we are the first mover in this trucking industry who is trying to do the supply demand matchmaking through this approach. And we have also filed a provisional patent for the same. Coming to the current state, we have officially launched our WhatsApp solution in India. We have done the marketing on Facebook and YouTube channel, which was affordable to us. Though people are very excited about the solution, but the challenges what we are facing is because of the low volume, the matchmaking is very narrow, and we need immediate seed funding mainly for the marketing and some tech hiring. The funds become more important because the moment we do marketing, it will bring more and more people, which will immediately shoot up the WhatsApp bills, because we are using WhatsApp business API, which is chargeable. Currently we are not charging any subscription. Our plan is to impose subscription only when we start seeing some significant matchmaking on the platform. So we are looking for immediate seed funding to move forward and disrupt this.